house that we were in on base, it was cramped. Our furniture didn't fit. We had too much furniture for the tiny little living space. And I like how much space there is. I like the counter space in the kitchen. I like that we're not sitting on top of each other down here. I like that there's room upstairs for the kids to hang out. I like having room.
The only downside with the space of the living room is we had to buy new furniture because ours didn't fit.
Ours was too small.
But if that's a problem to have, I'm okay with that. We brought out drinks and snacks and stuff for the construction workers for when they were doing the plumbing and everything. And I just wanted to make sure those guys know, because I'm an aircraft mechanic. I can't build a house. So I wanted them to know how much we appreciate that they were taking the time to build our house and doing what they do. It's just a feeling like you can't describe. It's like going from your first car when you're 16, a beat up $500 jalopy, to the first time you're able to buy a brand new car off the dealership, showroom. You get to pick everything, you get to be the decision maker and the boss in that, and there's really not much of a better feeling. How could you not love it?